You've probably seen rickshaws before. They've been around for generations. But the 2025 Tricycle Rickshaw? This is a whole new story. One part nostalgia, one part innovation, and 100% built for the future. From the moment I laid eyes on it, I knew this wasn't just a mode of transport. It's a symbol of how far smart urban mobility has come. The design is clean, almost retro-futuristic. It keeps that classic silhouette we all recognize, but with sharper lines, sleeker materials, and an upgraded frame that screams modern engineering. Let's talk about what really matters: performance. This tricycle rickshaw comes with an electric assist pedal system that feels effortless on the road. Whether you're cruising through narrow alleyways or navigating urban traffic, it handles like a dream. It's smooth, responsive, and whisper quiet. And the range? A full charge gets you around 70 to 90 kilometers, depending on load and terrain. That's more than enough for a full day's work or adventure. The seating area has been reimagined too. Think comfort first. Cushioned, ergonomic, and even a bit luxurious. Some variants even offer a retractable canopy, USB charging, and LED lighting for night rides. Riders feel more like passengers in a compact EV than in a traditional rickshaw. Durability? Absolutely. It's built with reinforced lightweight materials, strong enough for daily use, but light enough to maintain agility and battery efficiency. And maintenance is minimal thanks to its modular build. But what I really love is what this rickshaw represents: a cleaner, quieter, more efficient way to move people in busy cities without losing the cultural charm that rickshaws are known for. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and it empowers small business owners, gig drivers, and eco-conscious commuters alike. Whether you're looking to upgrade your urban ride, start a transport side hustle, or just want something that blends tradition and tech beautifully, the 2025 Tricycle Rickshaw deserves your attention. If you're into clean energy rides, next-gen design, and solutions that actually make a difference in real-world traffic, this is the kind of innovation worth celebrating. Smash that like button if you're loving where urban transport is headed, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more smart mobility reviews coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's next.